कैसे हैं आप लोग? This is your friend Convicted Rider, and yeah, I'm going to the launch of Bajaj Dominar 400. What a cool bike they have launched. I mean, it is already launched all over India on 15, but today is 16. But in Hyderabad they are launching it today. I don't know the reason, but this is it. I got the call from Select Bajaj, which is just like 13 kilometers from my house, and I am going there. I also got the message from Varun Bajaj on WhatsApp and SMS, which is like the main Bajaj showroom in Hyderabad. But again, it is like 30 kilometers from my house, so कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है वहाँ जाने का. आई नो कल से बहुत ज़्यादा डोमिनर हो रहा है एंड न्यू पीपल आर मे बी फेड अप, तो ज़्यादा ही प्रमोशन कर दी है ना. बट कम ऑन, फॉर अ इंडियन कंपनी लॉन्चिंग अ 400cc बाइक इज़ अ होल न्यू स्टेप. सो प्लीज़ कमेंट डाउन बिलो हाउ यू लाइक दैट बाइक. एक तो भाई साहब मुझे ये चीज़ समझ में नहीं आती कि वाई इन इंडिया दे लॉन्च द बाइक सो लेट. मतलब ठीक है, टेस्टिंग एंड ऑल, द दिस डोमिनर वेंट टू Leh also, Leh Ladakh for the test run, which is certainly a good thing. I saw that bike for the first time in 2014 in Delhi, the Auto Expo. I don't have a photo because I didn't like it that much, and the only reason is that because I like this kind of bike, sports bike. And there also I saw SS 400, but Bajaj don't have any plan to launch SS. Instead they launched this RS Racing Sports. I guess SS stand for Super Sport or something, I don't know. So this Dominar was there, and the name was CS 400, Cruise Sport 400. Then they changed it to VS 400, and now finally in the name of Dominar, which is a Spanish word which means the master of its field. It got a lot of meanings if you use it different kind of sentences. And the main competitions, the first one is obviously Bullet, because this is cruiser, okay, not a sport bike. And Bullet is a great cruiser. मतलब बुलेट दी सीट मैन, सो मच कंफर्टेबल. आगे वाली, पीछे वाली का मैं नहीं कह सकता, बट द फ्रंट सीट इज़ जस्ट ऑसम. मेन रीज़न बिकॉज इट इज़ अ कंपटीशन फॉर बुलेट इज इट्स प्राइसिंग 1.36 lakhs, just 1.36 lakhs. For both channel ABS it is 1.5 lakhs, which is way low if you compare it with even Duke 200. It is cheaper than that, so don't talk about Duke 390. But again, on the other hand, it got 10 horsepower less than Duke. Yeah bhai, as the top speed is also 148. I don't know, matlab the top speed for this RS 200 officially is 141. I have went till 152, so I am hoping it will go to 155, 160 around. I don't know, maybe not. There we got the second competition, Duke 390. Again the price will win it. Third is Mojo 300, for obvious reason. And you know what? I am eagerly waiting for Avenger 390. We went on a trip from here to Bidar. There I drove Avenger 150 just for like 30 kilometers or something. It was so smooth, man. Seat and suspension, it make it just मक्खन. RS 200 पे भी हाँ ठीक है, गड्ढे आते थे तो लगता था, उसमें पता नहीं लग रहा था. I love sports bike. Then to again I love to go on long ride, like I have done from Hyderabad to Pune. That's why I guess a bike like Dominar is perfect for me. But I will stick to this RS 200 for maybe couple of years. And in term of Dominar, I am thinking it will not vibrate, which is the main problem of this RS. So how many of you have seen the launch yesterday? It was like too much, man. It was totally like the rebirth of Undertaker or the rebirth of Dracula. I don't know if it is going to affect बुलेट और नॉट. लोगों को बुलेट सिर्फ उसकी आवाज़ के लिए ही पसंद आती है. एक अलग रुतबा होता है. आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ बुलेट इन पंजाब, हरियाणा एंड देन इन हैदराबाद. Here also people are mad for it. So even I heard that the first 100 KTM Duke which came on road in Hyderabad, 50 of them got into accident. So you know how people ride here. Let's just all be careful and ride safe, guys. And go CVR, dude. CVR 250 RR. They have no plans to launch in India. I don't know why. That is the most powerful 250cc bike ever, and they are planning to launch Suzuki 250 Gixxer, which is the least 250cc powered bike as far as I know. Okay.
Information, right, about the price, what the new bike which is going to come. It's going to be big, it is going to be very, very highly performing, and at the same time it will give you the comfort, it will give you the safety as well. But there is no compromise on all these features at an affordable price, definitely. Put forward in this bike is going to be in a manner which will be the best and it will dominate any other bike in this. You know, in the previous sports segment, there are a lot of bikes and they have always trade-offs. So if one feature was given high, some other feature has to be given sacrifice. So that we have not given any sacrifice in this bike. That is what which I can definitely probably announce about this bike. It is dominant for me. So all the youngsters which are here in this forum, I would like to tell you very proudly that this is a bike which has got a muscle, not a fat, and is designed to dominate. You know, all the bikes which are in the sports segment definitely will dominate in the day, right? They can always, if your good bike is that you will try to dominate the other. You can see that, you can witness that. And it has a more dominant profile.
Excellent initiative, Faster to everyone. And I'm very pleased to be here today. Glad to be called as a thank you, sir. First thing before we get into the bike, I want to say whenever you guys are riding, this is what I always say, no matter who I meet. Whenever you guys are riding, you have to wear your gear, right? At least your helmet, your boots, and gloves. Not too expensive. You're riding a fancy bike. Imagine you're riding a 400. Make sure you have at least that. Take this out on track if you're willing to let me. We would love to do that. But yeah, I'm definitely going to be one of your first online customers. And yeah, all I can say is guys, stay safe.
Value for money, not only value for money, it is redefining insanity in my opinion, because so far it's been redefining value for money for Bajaj, but this thing is something out of the ordinary and something we didn't see coming, especially the pricing, sir. It is completely insane, like 1.36 lakhs for a 400cc bike. It's like getting a 400cc bike for a 200cc bike. So and it comes completely equipped. Like every efficient dream coming true. Like we have the 320mm front disc, and we have dual channel ABS as an option. We have comfortable seating. We have longer wheelbase of 1450 mm, which gives you a perfect balance between performance as well as cruising capabilities. You get great.
So anybody wants to have a test drive of this bike, or if anybody wants to buy it, they have to book it online. Everything is fucking getting online after this demonetization. One of the reason why this bike is launched so late is that Bajaj is making every one of its showroom air conditioned. So yeah, that will take time. It is for sure. The guy I know from Bajaj, he told me the price would be identical all over India. It may vary just 2 to 300 rupees from place to place, but still it is 1.38 here, not 1.36 like the rest of the world. तेलंगाना सरकार ज़्यादा ही टैक्स लेती है लगता है. आंटी जी क्या कर रहे हो? And fuck this traffic. Okay, bye bye, madam, bye. See you on the other side, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. तो खैर इसको कोई करेगा नहीं, लेकिन कर दो शेयर यार. क्या जा रहा है तुम्हारा? टोटल ब्लैकआउट है, अंधेरे में चलाना, कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा. रोड लाइट तो थी नहीं खैर. And what the Dominar guys told that its LED is always on whenever the engine is on, and we can see up to like 1.5 kilometers. I certainly want to ride that bike on that road because the headlights of RS200 is damn good. Low beam, high beam. I don't know if SJ4000 is able to record the difference or not, but yes, that is good. And Dominar LED was better, that I can say, because this is little yellowish and that was white.